So I'm back in Lagos and I am headed to the GT Bank Food and Drink Festival. Is it a festival? Festival.
I used to walk these roads with you.
Jeffrey's really like looking into the video like what she doing. So yeah, that's where I'm going to now. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. It's just basically food everywhere. Guys, this place is super crowded. Like the crowd is a lot of people.
They have Asu here. They have
Nancy. Say hello to my snap.
Hi.
Walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you. To walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you. Where do I go?
So let me tell you guys, I'm here for a Mercedes Pamper Day treatment. Breakfast is supposed to start at 8, but I'm late. So yeah, let me just see what's going on. I'm going to show you guys what this place looks like. Like, it is so pretty. There's a staircase down here that leads you to like straight to the beach, literally. It is so nice, freaking nice. Let me show you guys. That's the beach and that's the staircase, so literally you can just like walk down to the beach. So pretty. And yes, all the space. That's Diola.
Hi.
Again, she's always appearing in all my vlogs. That's Beauty by T, the famous Beauty by T, and that is Kelechi. And yeah, we're just waiting to start, guys. Ray, say hi. Hi.
Don't expose our gossips.
She said it. Yeah. The place is really nice. Like, it's literally right in front of the beach. Guys, this is breakfast.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're about to eat.
Breakfast time.
We're about to take a tour of the place. Hi.
Where do I go? Where do I go from here?
She's taking us on a tour. And gosh, these guys are here for business. This place is so pretty. Look at all the towels. It looks so nice. Fits my shoes. I just changed into this robe and slippers, so they're going to come get me for my, I don't know if I'm doing facials first or massage, but I like to do facials first and then massage. Okay, so guys, so we're here and this is my masseuse. Yeah, so she's going to, what are we starting with?
We're doing facials.
Okay, so we're doing facials, guys, and I'm about to start. If I went to put my camera. So let's see. Okay. Yeah. Stephanie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Asma. Nice to meet you. So guys, we are about to start my facials, and I just need to tell you guys, this is my first time ever doing facials. This is the first time I'll be doing facials, and I cannot wait. I can't wait, actually. Yay! So, say hi to my vlog. So what are you doing now?
We'll clean the face first.
Okay. She's using, this is a sponge, right?
And it's a new sponge for your
So guys, I'm done. She did literally everything. She extracted my face. Now she's going in with moisturizer, right? What was the first one you applied?
This one, it's a massage cream.
Okay.
This is the last step.
Okay, so now she's just massaging my face. So guys, we're done. Oh my goodness. My face feels and looks amazing. Okay, so thank you so much. I've been playing around. I had a meeting. It's a FaceTime meeting, and I was just stalling. So now I'm done with the FaceTime meeting. I am ready.
Yes.
Oh, your nails are nice.
Thank you.
Did you just do them
No, I did them.
before coming here?
Yeah, no, I did them here.
Yeah, let me see. Are these gel?
No, they're just regular polish. Kind of, I don't know.
So guys, we're
That's,
just here, chilling.
Enjoyed ourselves.
That's Diola and that's Kelechi.
Hi, Stephanie's subscribers.
Hi, Stephanie, subscribers. No, this for you.
This is YouTube.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
So I'm waiting to do a massage. She has done both.
Everything.
She's done both her massage
My
and
facial, and my
facials.
nails, and I'm just chilling.
And Kelechi has done.
Everything.
Oh, she has done. You did nails.
Yeah, you did your nails after your facial or whatever.
Yeah, I think this
Was it gel? Is that gel?
No, it's not gel, it's just
Regular polish. Okay, yeah.
Hold on, Mali.
So I'm just waiting to do
The
my
Nigerian
own
brand based, I think,
massage.
Abuja. Yeah, Abuja.
I don't know if it's recording. Okay, it's
I'm
recording.
getting a present for being punctual.
Woo! Is it like your high
Yeah.
I just want you guys to let you guys know that I am jealous. I am jealous. But it's alright.
Finally, I've waited so long. I feel like I'm the last person. Am I the last person?
I guess so.
Yeah, I feel like I'm the last person to do my massage, and she's the one doing my massage for me today. And yeah, we're going to start.
Her name is Rashidat.
Her name is Rashidat. This place is going to get dark, right? Yes. So apparently she's going to turn off the lights and you guys will not be able to see me while I do my massage. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. So guys, I just finished my massage and I just want to say that I think I should do this more often. I should do this more often.
I used to walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you.
Today, I should do this often. Like, I should do this more often than I actually do. I had so much fun and I won so many gifts. I won a gift and then they gave me a goodie bag. Hello? Are you here to pick Stephanie? Okay, this is Stephanie. Yeah. So yes, I am heading home and let me just leave this behind here. Today was fun. So I'm back at my favorite place to do work and I basically just got in here. I'm going to get breakfast first before I start working. Sorry, my friend is messaging me. I'm going to get breakfast and then start working. So let me show you guys what my table looks like. So I have like all my electronics around here, and that's my computer. And then yeah, I was reading this book earlier today on my way here. So yeah, I have that and I have my wallet. Yeah.
To walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you. But where do I go? Where do I go from here? Where do I go?
I want my iced.
This is heaven. Like, I'm trying to decide what I want. Like, there's so much. There's how would you want to kill yourself? There's so many flavors. Like, so many flavors. So guys, we are at Krispy Kreme and we just ordered. I ordered caramel latte, Ray, and with Ray. And we're about to order some beef, smoothies. We ordered donuts and coffee, and that's what the table looks like. So I have 3 and Ray has 3. Ray, which ones are yours?
This is mine. This is mine. And this is mine.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And then I ordered caramel latte. That's the closest they had to caramel macchiato, which is my favorite. Oh yeah, say. What were you going to say? What were you going to say?